everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be a live unboxing of the FabFitFun Spring 2018 box. I just got this in the mail. I haven't opened it yet, it's still sealed, and I wanted to open it on camera and show what comes in this month's box. So I'm not sponsored by FabFitFun. I've been purchasing their boxes. They come quarterly, so 4 times a year. I've been purchasing their boxes for I think like 2 years now. Yeah, I think about 2 years now. Not sponsored or anything. I think the very first box that I ordered, I used somebody's coupon code from here on YouTube. So I don't have a coupon code or anything like that myself, but there's a lot of people here on YouTube that have them. So if you want a discount on FabFitFun, you can find some of those here on YouTube. I don't have a code myself, unfortunately. But yeah, if you're curious to see what comes in these boxes, it's a lot of fun, and just keep watching. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and explain a little bit of FabFitFun while I do that. So like I said, it's a quarterly box and it costs around like $50 per box, but you are guaranteed to get like $200 worth of products inside. So it's completely blind. It can be anything from like kind of clothing items, sometimes food, fitness, anything lifestyle, skincare, beauty, all kinds of stuff are in here, and they usually tailor it to the season. So as you can see, as I'm opening it up here, as you can see, the spring box is a pretty green color. It's got some fun art of different women doing all kinds of awesome girl stuff. And it says on the box, in support of Girl Rising. On the inside, I'm sure we'll get a little bit more information maybe about like what this month's theme is. So at the top of the box here is the little like newsletter, and I usually like look through this afterwards because it has a breakdown of what's inside, and I kind of like to be surprised. So I also got a coupon for HelloFresh. They usually throw something like this in these boxes. The thing is, it says $50 off. It's $25 off your first 2 HelloFresh boxes. So it's not an amazing deal, but HelloFresh is kind of nice. I've tried it once before. If you like meal delivery services, it is really nice. It was really yummy ingredients and yummy meals to make, but it just like wasn't practical for my husband and myself, so we didn't like keep it up. But it's a nice option to have. So I'm tearing open the tissue paper here. Try not to make too much noise. Oh my goodness! Okay, the first thing I notice is this Ish palette, and I recognize it because maybe a couple seasons ago FabFitFun had a contour palette by this brand, so I'm kind of excited. This is a lip statement palette according to the box here. Ooh, that's nice. Came in a little cloth pouch. It's got some like quite a bit of plastic on the outside to protect it. Oh, nice. And then we've got a pretty nice big lip palette. It looks like everything is like a cream finish. I will have to play around with it a little bit to see if anything is like more like glossy or matte, but everything looks like kind of a cream finish. And you've got a nice row of nudes, pinks, reddish, there's kind of an orangey red, some corally colors in here. So it looks really nice. Very cool. So that's awesome. And inside, when I look at the actual newsletter, it breaks down like what everything's like retail prices. So you're seeing like the kind of value that you're getting in each box. So that's nice. The next thing right here laying on top is a cute pair of tassel earrings. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I'm a Stella & Dot stylist, so I'm a little loyal to Stella & Dot jewelry. But these are kind of fun. They seem really light, fairly lightweight, which will be nice. And they need to fluff up a little bit because they're like little fabric tassels, but they've been laying like squished in the package for so long that they need to like relax and fluff up a little bit. But they might be kind of fun once they fluff up. So those are fun. Some statement earrings. Not practical for work for me particularly, but maybe fun on a weekend or something. Those are cute. Oh, okay. So the next thing here says Rachel Pally. And it's inside some plastic. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This actually reminds me a lot of like Stella & Dot clutches too, with like the fold over. This print is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so fun and springy. Oh, this is such a fun little clutch. Okay, so inside, it's really deep, but inside there's like one like side pocket. So you need like a little card case or something like that in there to keep track of your driver's license, that kind of thing. But then this is like a nice, I think it's like a faux leather, this mint green little tassel on the zipper. Oh, I love that. And then the gold zipper detail's really cute. This is a really fun summery clutch. I like that. Cool. Ooh, the next thing sitting right on top here is from Free People, and it's a pretty little eye mask. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I don't think I have an eye mask right now. Not that like I need one when I go to sleep in my, you know, here at home, but it's got something squishy in here. Oh, I wonder if there's a little like cooling pack or something. There's a little pocket that you can like pull it out. Ooh, yeah, I wonder if you're supposed to like refrigerate this little gel pack. Whoa, cool. Okay, so there's this little gel pack, and there may be some more information in the newspaper. I'll look at that in a little bit. But I think you might refrigerate this, and then you get like a little cooling treatment. It might be nice when I'm like taking a little bath or something. That's kind of nice. I don't have anything like that. That's what I like this box for, is it's just like fun, like cool little stuff that that I don't have or wouldn't think to buy for myself. It's just the kind of thing that's fun to get as a gift or get as a surprise for yourself 4 times a year, which is what this is. This box would actually make a really great gift for a friend or a coworker or your sister or somebody like that who just like likes to get fun stuff throughout the year. It's really fun. Okay, the next product is from Murad. Don't know why I'm struggling to say that brand name. But this looks like it's their moisturizer, skin perfecting lotion. It looks like step 3 in their system, which says hydrate. So awesome. I'm always looking for good moisturizers to use at night. Massage evenly over face, neck, and chest. Follow with a Murad sunscreen during the day. Yeah, most likely something I would reach for at night. So this is awesome. I don't think I've ever used any Murad skincare, but I've always heard really good things about it, so awesome. The next thing is in a little red box here, Dermalect Cause. I think the brand is Dermalect, and it says Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler, Keratin Peptide Infused. Oh, interesting. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, and in the inside there's a coupon. It's like in the inside of the box. I can't pull it out. I'd have to unfold the box. Peptide infused concealer and treatment. What? Wait, does this like treat my fine lines while concealing my under eyes, or am I like making that up? What? It looks like nail polish. Okay, I'm so confused. I'm gonna have to read about this a little bit more. Dermalect Makeover Ridge Filler combines 2 extraordinary anti-aging ingredients in one innovative treatment. Transform damaged, oh my gosh, it's for your nails. That's why it looks like nail polish. Why was I thinking this is skincare? Concealing ridge filler. Oh, like when you have ridges in your nails. Okay, I feel really silly now. I was like so thinking that this was gonna be like some amazing concealer, like skincare. It's for your nails. Got it. Keratin Peptide helps strengthen weak nails and make them more resistant to damage. Awesome. Okay. I recently got gel nails and I took them off, so my nails could use a little TLC. Awesome. I'm so glad I didn't just start like dabbing this on my face. Okay, so that's cool. Again, the kind of product I wouldn't ever seek out to get and buy for myself, but really cool that I have it now. This is a little free sample. They almost always throw in something from like a partner brand that's just like a cool little sample. Dove exfoliating body polish. So it's a nice big sample of this Dove exfoliator. Cool. All right, we've got something in a little pouch here. Oh, a bunch of somethings. Are these lip masks? Oh, cool. All natural collagen infused lip masks. So they're the little Little ones that you stick over your lips, and they infuse your lips with collagen and just help smooth that skin. I love a good lip treatment, whether it's an exfoliator or a really hydrating, like thick lip balm to put on at nighttime. I love lip treatments because my lips need the help. So this is awesome. And this nice little pouch, like you could reuse for like feminine products or coins or something. That's nice. It's a nice little pouch. Okay, what is this? I think this is something for tired muscles. Yeah. 57 Physique. Massage roller. Serious results, serious relief. Use this massage roller after an intense Physique 57 workout to give your muscles some sweet relief. Well, I mean, I'll have to look up what a Physique 57 workout is. I assume I can use this after other workouts though. So I get, now I gotta like move my leg out. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. That feels really good actually. I'm a big believer in the foam roller for tight IT bands, and this is kind of doing that. Oh, this feels really good. It's doing a little bit more than just what a foam roller would do, because the spikes on here, like, they have a nice texture on the muscles. That feels really good actually. It's very easy to use. I feel like sometimes when you're trying to foam roll the IT bands or the quads, it can be kind of awkward and you're like rolling all over the floor. But like this, you could easily just like roll on your sore muscles when you're just like watching one of your shows or something. No big deal. That's awesome. Okay, last thing, this pretty purple box. I'm hoping this is maybe a candle. Number 14 Super Bloom. That's what it says. Ah, yes, it's a candle. Yay. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, simple copper candle holder there, and then a white wax inside. It smells really good. It smells a little bit floral, but not overwhelmingly like rose or anything like that. Let me see what the notes are. Oh, I'm not getting any of those things. That's funny. Basil, tangerine leaf, anise, A-N-I-S-E, anise, violet, geranium, lily. There's the flowers. Lily of the valley, jasmine, rose, rosewood, cashmere, musk. I'm getting a tiny bit of the muskiness at the end, but it's not overwhelmingly musky. This is really pretty. I like the simplistic little copper container that it's in. It would look cute on my little candle holder there. And that's it. Awesome. So let's go through the quick little newspaper guide. Tell me about like how much everything was worth. Oh my gosh, this Rachel Pally clutch, $60. What? See, that's the thing, is I wouldn't spend $60 on this, but now that I have it and I paid $50 for the whole box, like, sure, yeah, I'm happy to have it. You know what I mean? Like, that's what I like about these. And I was noticing there's 3 different designs, so that's also the nice thing about the blind box, is you don't know which design you're gonna get. And I'm sure there's online forums. If you see a style that you like better and wanna like trade with somebody, I'm sure there's ways that you can do that. But they have it folded with the floral, I guess this is probably Bird of Paradise, right? Pattern out. It can really fold either way because there's not a magnetic closure or anything like that. You just fold it the way that you kind of, how much, depending on how much print and how much color you want. That's super cute. Okay, $60 for that. Wow. The Murad lotion is $40. The candles $45. The lip palette $42. The Free People travel mask $40. Good Lord. Oh my gosh, no way. These tassel earrings $58. No way. Like, I would not spend that on these. Like, am I happy that I have them? Sure, yeah, they're cute. But I wouldn't spend that money. This whole box pays for those. That's crazy. The lip masks were $25. A couple other things here are like choice items. So depending on if you're like FabFitFun, I think it's like VIP level, where you pay for the whole year instead of paying each quarterly. You just throw the money up front for the whole year. I think then you get to have some choices in your box. I don't do that option, so I'm not sure, but I'm seeing here that the beauty choice item was this Corez Guava Body Butter, or the lip masks. And then the jewelry choice item is either the tassel earrings or this love necklace. Between the two, I think I like the tassel earrings better anyway. So sometimes it's like just a gamble. You don't know which one you're going to get, but in this case, I'm glad that I got what I got because I like it. The nail ridge filler, $18. The Physique 57 massage roller, $20. So this is awesome. I like looking at this because it makes me feel like I got my money's worth. I'm really happy with everything that I got. This is so cool. All right, and then as you flip throughout this, there's just more ways on how to use everything. There's some fun like, lip ideas for using the lip palette. A little bit about Rachel Pally, the designer of the clutch. Oh, a little article about getting more sleep, since a couple of these items are rest related, mainly the eye mask. Super fun though. Okay. Spring is a really fun season anyway, and having something like this box to look forward to just like makes it even better. It makes me look forward to all the seasons. Who am I kidding? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions for me, whether it's regarding these products or anything else. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a subscribe if you don't mind. I am trying to grow my channel a little bit, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.